All right, so I have this bust that I found. I was cleaning house and found this bust. So I just love the grace of it. So I'm going to add it to a moving sculpture that I'm making for my home above. And I will share a picture or a video of that sculpture, but this is a piece of it. All right, here it is, dried, varnished, matte varnished, and placed where I wanted it on the sculpture in my living room. And I am just absolutely thrilled with this product.